Hello guys, we just received the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, the Graphite one, which is an exclusive color in the Samsung store, and I'm really happy with it. It's really nice and a nice looking phone. It's an amazing, in fact, I've had the S22 Ultra and I think there is a difference in the design overall. It's more boxy. You can see here in the curve. It looks a bit more boxier than the previous one. It's totally gorgeous. The black and the gray, it's an amazing color in my opinion. And so since I care about my phone, I'm going to try this glass screen protector by amFilm. It's the first time that I'm trying this brand for Samsung Galaxy phones. Previously I've had the white stone dome glass and the Spiegel. So let's try the amFilm and see their method. So let's open the box. I've just removed the plastic bags and they seem quite confident about the fingerprint thing because they are put it also on the side. So it seems amFilm are quite confident with their screen protectors. By the way, this video is no way sponsored by any brand, so it's just my personal opinion about this product. So it's not by any means any type of sponsorship. So I've just opened the box and these are the this is the frame, the jig that has levels even, which is quite neat. So this is the top, it says here top. And I wanted to tell you that there are included 3 glass protectors. In case you missed one, 2, there are 3 possibilities. These are the wipes. Protector also for the camera is included. It's also 9H and the 3D is I guess the manual. Yeah, the installation manual. So this is an accessory for the screen protector, and this is UV light for the cooling process. Looks different, and I think they've done a good job by making this stand, because this way you can just put it in one time and don't need to apply it many times, like move it along. It covers the whole phone. So I think they've done an excellent job in making this solution. Application kit. Oh wow. So I know that you have to apply 2 tubes of the glue for each time. It's different than others. So you can see there are 6 in total, each for one screen protector, and there is this weight. During the installation we will have to put it on the screen protector on the fingerprint, just so it adds some weight. It's quite heavy, it has some weight to it. This is a holder, and those are the leveling pads that we are going to stick on the back of the phone to level it up. There are other 2. And those are the pads that we are going to put in the side to avoid to have some glue in the side of the phone. I'll do now the installation of the pad. I usually get somehow anxious during applying screen protector because I want to make sure that it's done well. I think you don't need to stick it, just I guess you can just okay, I think there are 2 stops here. It's somehow gimmicky. Let me try to see how. I think it's this way. Let me check the manual. So guys, after some time and reading the manual all over again, I realized that it comes pre-installed with soaking pads, so you don't need to put any. You can just slide it from the left here. As you can see, I've just taken one out, and you can just slide it in that hole. And anyway, it comes pre-installed with 2 of them on both sides, so you don't need to put any of them. And this is screen flip close. The top of it is the top of it. Okay, now I'll just clean the screen again. Okay, so it's this way. I can just now put the way. So now we are done with 15 seconds. I can just turn it off, remove the tray, do the cooling again. Now I can do the cooling for about 75 seconds. So that's the amFilm screen protector. I'm quite satisfied with the result. It looks really good. It looks very good. In fact, I am quite satisfied with the result. So now we can remove the pads, and I hope you found this video to be useful. Please like and subscribe. So enjoy your new Galaxy phone. And this is a screen protector from amFilm, and I recommend it. It's good. So see you in the next video.